Yeah, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Bua, KAS. Across the globe, whispers have started to circulate. From the bustling trading floors of New York to the quiet cafes of Paris and the tech hubs of Tokyo, crypto enthusiasts are raising eyebrows. KASPA, currently hovering at $0.0737, has become a magnet for curiosity, speculation, and yes, a dash of obsession. Traders, investors, and casual enthusiasts alike are asking the same question. What is KASPA plotting next? It is an unassuming coin in a market dominated by megastars like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yet, its quiet resilience has earned it a reputation as the dark horse of the altcoin world. While some altcoins scream for attention with flashy launches and meme-driven hype, KASPA works in stealth mode, methodically refining its technology, accumulating supporters, and building a structure that could support a breakout at any moment. Morning drama. The $0.0737 price point. This morning, KASPA's price displayed a familiar subtle dance. A slight dip, a gentle bounce, and then settling at $0.0737. To casual onlookers, it may seem like a small, negligible movement. But to experienced traders, this price point is significant. It represents a decision line, a threshold where buyers and sellers measure their patience. Intraday highs approached $0.0769, while lows flirted with $0.0732, creating a tension that traders could feel but not fully touch. Historically, similar price movements preceded both sharp corrections and explosive rallies. In essence, $0.0737 isn't just a number. It's the market whispering, "Pay attention, something's brewing." The subtle dip of -0.03% may look inconsequential, but in crypto psychology, small dips often attract sharp eyes. Retail traders often panic at these numbers, while experienced holders, the silent accumulators, see opportunity. This dichotomy between fear and patience is central to understanding KASPA's next moves. KASPA's journey, from quiet entrant to market contender. KASPA didn't come to play by conventional rules. Its block DAG technology allows multiple blocks per second, drastically improving scalability and transaction speed. In an industry where congestion is a constant headache, KASPA offers a smoother, faster alternative. Unlike meme coins or flashy altcoins, KASPA's story is one of methodical growth. Early adopters remember the coin's formative days, quietly collecting tokens and studying the unique block DAG structure. This background has helped KASPA develop a loyal, patient community, a factor that, when combined with today's $0.0737 price, creates an interesting market setup. The emotional side of the chart. Crypto trading isn't just about numbers. It's about emotion and psychology. At $0.0737, KASPA's sentiment appears as a blend of mild fear and cautious optimism. Retail traders, some see the dip as a warning, fearing losses. Whales, large holders, quietly accumulate tokens, confident in long-term growth. Analysts and commentators, observing, measuring, and predicting, occasionally tossing out phrases like, "KASPA is the quiet storm." This interplay of sentiment and price sets the stage for potential volatility. However, historical patterns suggest that coins with strong community support and innovative technology often reward patience. Technical analysis. Reading between the candles. Let's zoom in. At $0.0737, KASPA sits on a critical support zone. Breaks below this could trigger temporary panic, but holding this level suggests accumulation is in progress. Key indicators. Moving averages. The 50-day average hovers near the price, acting as immediate resistance/support, while the 200-day average provides long-term stability. RSI, Relative Strength Index, neutral territory, indicating no overbought or oversold conditions. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, curling upward, hinting at a potential bullish momentum. Volume trends. Steady, quietly rising, a prelude to more dramatic moves. In simpler terms, KASPA is coiled like a spring, ready to move, but the exact timing remains a mystery. The market mood, a global perspective. KASPA doesn't exist in isolation. Its performance is intertwined with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the broader altcoin market. United States, traders view KASPA as a quiet opportunity, a chance to buy undervalued tokens while others chase headline-grabbing coins. Europe, analysts and enthusiasts are cautiously optimistic, citing scalability and unique block DAG tech as long-term advantages. Asia, smaller traders are stacking tokens, betting on Q4 momentum. The global perspective adds depth to KASPA's $0.0737 story. It's not just a local fluctuation. It's part of a worldwide sentiment wave. Short-term predictions. In the coming week, if KASPA maintains support at $0.0737, likely price range, $0.075 to $0.09. Potential breakout. A strong surge could see testing of 10 cents if bullish sentiment aligns. Risk scenario. A drop below 7 cents might trigger short-term panic, but could also be a strategic accumulation window. The key is patience and observation. KASPA's history suggests that sharp dips are often precursors to strong recoveries. Medium-term outlook. October, November. October is historically a turning month in crypto, often dubbed Uptober. KASPA could ride this seasonal momentum if community support remains strong, whale accumulation continues, global market conditions favor altcoins. Projected price zones for mid-October, conservative 8 to 9 cents, optimistic 10 to 12 cents, bullish scenario $0.13 plus, if positive sentiment and adoption coincide. KASPA's unique tech, combined with its patient community, makes it a coin to watch closely in this period. Long-term vision. Beyond 2025. KASPA's potential extends beyond immediate price movements. Technology adoption. Developers continue to refine block DAG for faster, scalable transactions. Partnerships. Strategic alliances could bring more real-world use cases. Community growth. The loyal $0.0737 era investors will form the backbone of future price stability. By 2026, if these factors align, KASPA could become a prominent player in the altcoin landscape, not for hype but for substance. Investor strategies and risks. For those looking at $0.0737 as an entry point, buying the dip, consider gradual accumulation to mitigate short-term volatility. Holding long-term, patience is key. KASPA rewards the steadfast. Diversification. Always keep exposure balanced, even with a promising coin. Risks. Short-term volatility, market corrections, and sudden shifts in global sentiment. But historically, KASPA has shown resilience. Community and memes. The secret sauce. KASPA's community isn't just active. It's engaged and persistent. Memes, humor, and social engagement have played an understated role in sustaining market confidence. Even at $0.0737, the community's lighthearted optimism keeps spirits high, ensuring that panic doesn't overwhelm reason. Final verdict. KASPA at $0.0737 is more than a number. It's a symbol of potential and patience. While short-term dips may test nerves, the combination of technology, community, and global interest positions KASPA as a coin with upside potential, especially if it maintains support and rides seasonal trends. For traders and investors, watch the charts, respect the psychology, and don't ignore the whispers of whales. KASPA's quiet storm may yet turn into a headline-grabbing surge. Yes, thank you for watching. This video is not enough, but it was love, so thank you and bye.